Hello, we are Team Micro Recruiters, and this is our project. And our problem statement is AI enhanced automated interview screening. So, firstly, let's understand the current problem statement, and then we will provide our solution. So, in the current status quo, the interview hiring process goes as follows. Firstly, the resume shortlisting is done. Then the OA links are provided to the candidates. The candidates gives their OAs, and then the technical interviews are taken by the technical experts, and the final offer is provided to the candidates. In this whole process, the first two steps require minimal human interaction and are mostly automated, while the third process, interviews, requires lot of human efforts and time, which make it less scalable. So our solution is we have developed a AI assistant using which can automate the whole process, discover how can AI revolutionize your hiring process, streamline the interviews, and make this whole process very cost effective. So this is our solution. In this solution, we have used the following AI Azure services, which to do various tasks, which makes this which makes this whole website very cost effective and provide a very good user experience to the user and do the evaluation at the highest level possible. So these the AI services that we have used for the various tasks are firstly for generating question based on the job description, job role, and the year of experience. Secondly, text to speech API, speech to text API, similarity checking for checking the technical criteria of the answers, and lastly, feedback generation to give the marks to the user. So let's get started with our demo. So let's click on this get started button. We'll go to the login page. This login page is built using the Clerk API. Login and sign up page are built using the Clerk API. We can log in into the website using our Google account. On login after login into the system, we will we will land on our dashboard page. And on this page, we have a button of start interview, and these are a list of previous interview that the candidate have already given. We can click on this feedback button to show to get the feedback of the previous interview. So let's go through one of the feedback. So this was the question asked. This is the question asked by the AI assistant. This was the answer provided by the user, whereas the correct answer was this, and the user assistant also provide the answer to the correct question. This is the feedback. So this was the feedback provided by the user. Let's see how we can schedule our interview. So we can click on the start interview button, fill in the various fields that are required in this form. Let's say React JS, year of experience, and we can upload the resume. And we can click on start the interview button, and this will generate the whole question. This will first generate all the questions, and this is our page where we can enable the webcam to start the interview. So we can enable the webcam and then go to the click on the start interview button, and we can start the interview. So as you can see, here are our questions. We can also click on this speaker button to
Describe your experience working with
to listen to the
React.js,
question.
focusing on specific projects or components you've built.
And on clicking the record answer button, we can record the answer, and then the AI will evaluate our answer and provide the feedback. This is our whole process to automate the whole interview process, and when we can move on to the next question to move on to the next questions, and then we can answer the question. So what are the impact and the future scope of this project? So the first impact is efficiencies. Automation reduces the manual effort up to 90% time reduction, time saving, fair and objective evaluation. There is no bias as the AI are the unbiased. Human can have the biasness, but AI do not have any biasness toward any candidate. Improved candidate experience, provide structure and instant feedback for the better learning of the user, and data driven insight. Secondly, what are the future aspects of this project? Using resume, we can generate the questions. Video-based cheating detection, we can detect the eye movement of the candidate, facial expression to detect whether the user is do not whether the candidate is does not having any one other in the room providing answer to them. Confident assessment, and especially support for the especially able candidate. So this was our whole project for this for the project, and this is our team, Krishraj, Krishna Prabha, Sangyan Danayal, and Hans Patela. Thank you very much.